Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and the AMD Ryzen 97900X. In this video, we will dive deep into the specifications and performance of these two processors. The Ryzen 5 5600 is designed for mainstream users, offering a balance of performance and affordability, while the Ryzen 97900X targets high-end users with its impressive core count and clock speeds. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600 features 6 cores and 12 threads, making it a solid choice for everyday tasks and gaming. In contrast, the Ryzen 97900X boasts an impressive 12 cores and 24 threads, which significantly enhances its multitasking capabilities and performance in demanding applications. This difference in core count is crucial for users who require high performance for tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. When it comes to clock speeds, the Ryzen 5 5600 has a boost clock of up to 4.4 GHz, which is decent for gaming and general use. However, the Ryzen 97900X takes the lead with a boost clock of up to 5.6 GHz, providing superior performance in both single-threaded and multi-threaded applications. This higher clock speed allows the Ryzen 9 to excel in scenarios where processing speed is critical. Price is a significant factor for many consumers. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600 is priced at $199, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users who still want solid performance. On the other hand, the Ryzen 97900X comes with a premium price tag of $549, reflecting its high-end specifications and capabilities. For users who need top-tier performance, the investment may be justified, but for casual users, the Ryzen 5 5600 offers excellent value. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and Ryzen 97900X have their strengths and are designed for different types of users. The Ryzen 5 5600 is perfect for those who need a reliable processor for everyday tasks without breaking the bank, while the Ryzen 97900X is aimed at enthusiasts and professionals who require maximum performance. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.